Okay, guys, I just need to say, if you watched the last video, you are a fucking real one. Somehow that video has over 15,000 views. It's got over 1,500 likes. I literally posted it like 12 hours ago. I posted it so late yesterday. I know anyone who watched that rocks with me because this week is so garbage. There's no way anyone clicked on that video just like, oh man, this Supreme drop is kind of cool. Let's see if Jacob agrees with me. I just feel like everyone who watched that video, you've got to be like core supporters. Thank you to everyone that smashed the like button on that video, that shows love in the comments in every single video. I think I might have early onset coronavirus. But anyways, please, it is so important in this video that you smash the like button, show some love in the comments. I'm literally desperate for the support in this video because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this week is garbage. So really the only way this video is gonna get views if you guys show love in the comments, or I should say by commenting, smashing the like button, watching it all the way through, showing some love, because I'm telling you, we need some sacrifices to the YouTube algorithmic gods. So please take a quick second to do that. Everyone that does that, I do sincerely appreciate you. Also, at the end of this video, we will pick the winner of the bouncy ball giveaway that we did. We picked 2 winners, one from Instagram, one from the $6,000 unboxing that I dropped on Sunday. If you guys did not watch that video, go watch that. I will leave that link below because I did not leave a link below in the last video like I said I was going to do. But I will this time. And also, speaking of the links below, a lot of people have been bombarding me trying to get invites to the free Discord. The free Discord group has been closed off. I do send out invites every once in a while for people that follow me on Instagram and to show proof that they are subscribed with post notifications on. But I also thought of another way. I'm gonna leave a link to the Discord in the description down below. That link will only work for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the link will expire. So that way, if you guys are subscribed with post notifications on, you guys can get into the free Discord by using that link below. I may end up limiting the time more in the future or make it like the first 100 people because honestly, it gets really hectic at times. But for now, in this one, I'm going to leave it open for 30 minutes. So if you haven't joined the free Discord, make sure you click that link down below and join right now before the time runs out. And if you don't make it in within the first 30 minutes, follow me on Instagram, show proof that you are subscribed with post notifications on. I do send out invites every once in a while. It does take some time. I get bombarded with messages that people are trying to get. We have like over 12,000 members. But anyways, thank you to everyone that already liked this video, that already commented, that did all that shit before I even said it. I appreciate you. You are a GOAT, and I cannot say thank you enough. Now, put these bad boys on right here. All right, so first thing I gotta do, check out the sellout times. As you guys know, go to Supreme Community, check out the EU sellout times. Ooh. 8.5 seconds. It doesn't look like there's too many surprises. We see the small box tee, we see the university tee, we see the contrast boonies, the patchwork knitted shorts in 23 seconds, size small. Ooh, I don't know, guys. The sellout time's not bad, but I mean, at the same time, there's not really much else to go for. I don't know, man. I also feel like these sellout times might be a little bit quicker in the US. I don't know. I feel like people in Europe don't rally gators and shit, you know. We got like the South and Louisiana and I don't know, places where there's like swamps where people really need these boonie hats. I don't know why they need a boonie hat to rally gators or like wrestle with gators. I don't know, man. Is that true? I don't know. Can you guys let me know? Is a boonie hat like more of a US thing or a EU thing? I have no idea. All right, boys and girls, 8 minutes to the barbecue where we will get to cooking. I just got off Instagram Live and yeah, a lot of the individuals on there said that they said I need to risk it, man. We are really about to see whether this is a barbecue or a sandwich making extravaganza. If I take the L, then yeah, there was no cooking involved. That was just peanut butter and jelly or soggy cereal. But I'm gonna try to go for the barbecue, cook up some ribs, get myself the contrast beanie. No. Why do I keep calling it that? Contrast boonie and the patchwork short size small. I feel like with the drop like this, I already have enough stuff to resell. You guys have seen me cook the last like 8 weeks in a row. I've taken nothing but W's, and if I just make it too easy for myself, it's like if I'm not gonna take the risk, why am I even making a live cop? Anyways, I do have both computers open. Underneath this camera, I do have another little MacBook, as you can see. If it's lagging, then yeah, I'm just gonna go for the single cart, but if I don't experience any lag, then I'm definitely just gonna go for both of these and try to cop a double cart. That would be a crazy, if I get both those in a double cart, that's a barbecue for sure. I don't care. Even if this week is weak, that's a pretty good ass double cart for this week. All right, man. All right. We gotta close out of that. We can close out of the Discord. Shout out to everyone in the Discord showing love. Like I said, if you are subscribed with post notifications on, I'm going to open it up again eventually. So just make sure you have those post notifications on if you want the opportunity to get into the Discord. We have T-minus 3 minutes. Your boy is kind of nervous. I'm not gonna cap you down right now. Here we go. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. Okay, come on. There he goes. Oh God. If you're wondering what I just did, by the way, I was like, oh, nope. Almost fucked up. Okay, size small. Add to cart. Check out now. Check out now. Check out now. Oh, no, 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 don't do that. Process payment. Oh, I fucked up. I fucked up. Oh, come on. If I get that cart, that's gonna be so beautiful. Oh, it says please wait. It says please wait. It says please wait. Yikes, that's just sold out. That's just sold out. Ooh, that's just sold out. Ooh, please get that cart, baby. Please, for the love of God, get that cart. Please do not give me this hoe ass shit. Do not give me this hoe ass shit because I just took an L on this boonie and that's sold out. I swear to God, if I get this cart, I will love you forever. I will suck your Supreme. You will get a blow for sure. I promise you, I will give you a blow. Yeah, yeah. Double cart, baby. Come the on. You know you are not playing with me. I told you guys, I do not play it safe here. We do not play it safe over here at Star Life Enterprises. That is not what we do, baby. Now I'm over here just cooking the up. Cooking the up. Thank you. Let me get that. Let me go to skate. Let me just cook the up. Let me get one of these decks. You fucking whore. Olive small box sold out. It's good. It's good. It's fine. It's fine. It's whatever, dude. It's whatever, bro. It's whatever, bro. It's every motherfucking day, bro. We're gonna go cop another small box. Why did I wipe my nose like I just snorted a brick of cocaine? No thanks, don't save. Why does Google do that? I turned off Google Payments. All you guys told me like, yo, turn off Google Payments, bro. Fuck yeah, bro, turn off Google Payments. Bro, it's like lagging for me. And I feel like it's all me, 1000% all me. This is just like an extra card, just to say, you know what I'm saying, we did that, you know? That's what we do over here. Over here at the Star Life Enterprises, that's what we do. You know, we just do it. Like, you know, a lot of people might have single carded. I don't know. I can't. Due to high traffic, what are you doing? Why do you keep resetting my whole fucking cart? God, you are a pussy. I'm missing something because my cart should be like $300. Due to high traffic, I literally manually put everything in. Just give me my cart. Give me my cart. I know you're mad because I just worked you. It's fine. Yeah, I took the boonie. Yeah, I took the shorts in both pleasurable sizes. I understand. Just process the motherfucking payment. Thank you. Please, for the love of all that is holy, stop playing with your boy. Stop playing with your boy. Look at that. Can't even fall over. I can't even shit up when I try. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I really wish I would've got that olive though. That would've been beautiful. I might come back over here low key, cause now that I see that olive's going, that is a beautiful piece. It just is, like, it's just facts, you know? And then I'll go over here, cop another water bottle. I mean, I might as well, you know? Why not? You know? It's like, why not? You know? Why not? Throw in another small box tee. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let me just retype in my CVV so that way they don't try to whore me. If you card decline me because of this autofill, oh, I will sock you in your cock. Come on. There we go. I like that processing bar, baby. God, I'm done. It's... What? Hold on. What? Unfortunately, I was doing my victory lap. Can you please just process the fucking... Let me do my victory lap. Processing. Processing. Why do I feel like I'm teabagging the chair? Thank you for my victory lap. That's all we needed to do. That's it. Let me just... That's it. Go to my slot email. God. I really don't know what it's like. Like I always say, you guys, shout out to the premium Discord. A link to that will be in the description down below. Without that, I'd only have one boonie, and I don't know what it's like to only have one boonie. So, I mean, if you only have one boonie, I sympathize for you. I don't know what it's like personally because I got two of them. And on top of that, I double carded my boonie and got free shipping. So it's like, you know, I don't know what it's like. But if you know what that's like, I'm telling you, join the premium. Oh, my Waves Crusher just got shipped 17 hours ago too. By the way, guys, my slot also hit for the olive contrast boonie. So I got two boonies, size small shorts. Can we just acknowledge, guys? We're getting the barbecue ready for summertime, boys. We're getting that grill nice and warmed up. I got two boonies. I got the patchwork short size small. I got two of the small box in lilac. Supreme water bottles, two distorted decks. I got animal basketball jersey, which is kind of a brick. Okay, not kind of, definitely a brick. And then the small box hoodie in the lemon color, not yellow, lemon. I do wish I would have copped the small box and the olive, I'm not even gonna cap you down. Literally the colors I mentioned in my video. First to go. If you're not watching the drop list videos, I don't know what you're doing, because even on a brick week like this, you could have made some money. A size medium of these patchwork shorts sold for $210. You guys have literally seen every single week I take W's. Like, what are we talking about here? If you single carded a boonie, we're not the same. If you single carded patchwork shorts, we're not the same. Honestly, I was gonna go for the single card. I was gonna play it safe, but because of you guys, I was like, you know what? I gotta risk it for the Trisket. I gotta take my chances because it's not right if I don't, and it all paid off in the end, baby. Free shipping, huh? $10 shipping? Yeah, right, Supreme. Sorry, I still need to pick the winner. Okay, look, man. Dude, 1,600, you guys are fucking gangsters, bro. And, okay, let me go to this little video right here. All right, let me get YouTube comments. 400, 500, 600 unique comments. Ooh, 614. Okay, so random winner. Shibbity shoo bop. Oh, Sasha Sugarman, what's good? Hey man, hit me up. I'll send you a bouncy ball. Shout out to Sasha, man. She is an OG supporter. That's fucking fire. If you guys, for whatever reason, did not join, I do have some other bouncy ball giveaways coming soon. And I also may have a crazy giveaway coming on Instagram very soon, so stay tuned for that. 1 through 381, I believe. Randomize 84. 381. New. Okay, now that we're at the bottom, we count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Shout out to my man KevX38. Appreciate you, brother. I will let you know. I'll DM you, let you know that you got a bouncy ball. Yeah. Anyways, if you guys did not take a W with the bouncy ball giveaway, I literally have so many bouncy balls to give away. Look at this shit. And honestly, I'm thinking about giving away all of these. Like, literally, it goes all the way to the bottom. Look. Like, not playing. So subscribe, turn on post notifications, show some love in the comments, like this video. Thank you guys so much. We took the W once again. Oh, that feels great. Much love as always. Keep it in the star life and peace the fuck out.
Bang bitch, holler when you feel this. Fresh up out the county, tell them hoes to get up on me. I was in that motherfucker with some killers.